In this video, I'm going to show you can easily change a lock screen password on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, you need to head over to Settings. Then just scroll down until you find Face ID and Passcode here. Now we need to enter our current device's passcode. And now once we are taken to that step, we need to scroll down all the way until we find Change Passcode here. First off, we need to tap on that option. That's where we need to enter our current passcode again. And now we can enter new one here. First of if you tap Add Passcode Options, you will be able to choose the type of your passcode. I prefer to use a 6-digit one. However, you can switch it to 4-digit memory call. Let's say, or maybe a custom alpha memory code. Choose the way you prefer to use to unlock your device. I'm gonna use, let's say in this tutorial, 4-digit memory code. And that's so where we just need to enter our passcode. I'm just gonna enter some numbers here. Now we need to re-enter them. And after a couple of seconds, your passcode will be set as a current one on your device. Basically, guys, so if this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button